We feel nothing.
Pain is a gift. Without the capacity for pain, we can't feel the heart we inflict.
Why am I cold?
They remove the brain and they put it in a suit of armor. That's what these things are. They're us.
Begin full conversion.
Look at what you've become.
Do not fear, we will take your fear from you. Cybermen will remove fear. Cybermen will remove sex and class and color and creed. You will become identical. You will become like us. Begin conversion phase 1. Cleanse the brain of emotions.
Emotions, love, pride, hate, fear.
It is the sound of fear. It is irrelevant. We will remove all fear. Delete, 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 delete.
We are the future.